White wine.
The method of producing white wine, which can also occur from red-skinned grapes, is characterized by the practice of draining. After the soft pressing of the grapes, the skins and the seeds are immediately and carefully separated from the juice. In most cases, the obtained liquid gets cooled and clarified before the fermentation, adding a specific gelatin. Through a careful filtration, all the raw parts are removed through the liquid that will become perfectly clear and bright. At the end of the fermentation, the white wine produced is racked through a particular practice in which the wine gets separated from the fermentation residue. After that, the wine is normally stored into stainless steel tanks to bring it to its maturity, avoiding any contact with the external air. After a series of cellar practices operated by the oenologist, such as corrections, clarifications and stabilizations, the wine will finally be ready and will shortly encounter the market. In most cases, white wines are best consumed very fresh, not aging for more than 2 years. White wines are seldom aged in wood barrels, but in that case the oxidation phase and the contact with the toasted wood will almost completely alter the basic characteristic of the wine. In most cases, two parts of the same wine are blended, because different types of refinement and aging surely enrich the taste of the olfactory features of the product and achieve a golden color.